Hello everyone, I'm Babita Chundanwala, psychological counselor and co-founder of Man Ki Baat, A Journey Within. Today I have with me Shiv Karnani. Shiv, you have an experience in varied industries. Your specialities include the ability to build a business, identify, partner and synchronize with people. You are a director in various reputed concerns. You are a speaker on human interaction, behavior, and business at various forums. You are the regional head of APAI, Air Passengers Association of India. You have mentored and trained inventors, Government of West Bengal, Department of Science and Technology on business management and entrepreneurship. You are also the founding member of the think tank US Importers Forum, US Embassy, and have undertaken various projects for Kolkata Improvement Trust. You have been a part of various social and welfare projects for Roundtable, including an informal partnership with the Department of Primary Education, Government of West Bengal under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Government of India. You are a keen golfer and founding member of Calcutta Wine Club. You are a model and have also acted in a few films. You believe in the maxim, the more you prepare and practice, the luckier you get. And you follow, never, 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 never give up, stated by Sir Winston Churchill. Welcome, Shiv. I am really glad to have this conversation with you. You have been on our panel discussion for the topic of love versus respect, and you were one of our first male panelists because we never had a male panelist till then.
Okay. So I was lucky there.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your warm welcome and introduction. I didn't know I was the first one there.
Yes, you were one of them. There were two male panelists we had, so you were one of
Right.
them. Okay. So, Shiv, what was your experience on our panel discussion?
So I was very impressed the way you all organized and your professionalism, the four of y'all. I think there were that day one person summed it up. Rajshri did the questions, one person did the introduction, and I don't remember the sequence, and one more person, I don't know what the sequence was, but I was very impressed that starting from the beginning, that you all have started such a platform, and it is a matter of mental and psychological health. Let me put it that way, and
Yes.
psychological well-being of a person. If you see, उर्दू जैसे मिजाज कैसे हैं,
Mm-hmm.
और we say in Hindi also we say मन चंगा. So it's not always physical health, mental health or psychological health or emotional health also determines. There are so many other chemical factors and that triggers. So it's so important, and you all have touched this topic, and you all have taken this as a crusade. This is so impressive, and that's number one. Number two, the way you all went about the whole thing, the whole session, so professionally managed. Your series of questions were well asked. It was practical questions which made a difference. So, as a matter of fact, it got me thinking. So it was not a read and speak session, you
Mm-hmm.
know.
It
So
was
there
an
were questions.
interactive session.
It was thought provoking, interactive, thought provoking, and it got me thinking for an answer where I would see myself in that seat.
Okay, that's
Right.
great. That's great. So, is there any one thing which you thought that that the session you liked very much about the session? Any particular thing?
See, first of all, very much I should tell you that you all have chosen good topics. It was not run-of-the-mill topics. Like, it was not somebody can go on the net and put a broad spectrum topic and then say subtopic, pick up something. Love and respect, it really got me thinking that how we just talk of either love or we talk of respect, and what is the connection between the two,
Mm-hmm.
and which comes first, which comes second. And so what I like is your choice of topics, a broad spectrum. Besides, in addition to that, I've been I've been lucky that y'all have put me in your Facebook loop. I've been
Yes.
seeing the other discussions y'all have had, and all have
Okay.
been on nice, sensitive topics which we normally set aside. We don't look into. So I would say y'all have done some good creative thinking and good work there.
Thank you so much, Shiv. So, what was your takeaway from it?
So now this is the tricky part. So takeaway is not. One of the channels, I'll not mention the name, on TV, it's a theology, it's a religious channel,
Mm-hmm.
and there you have preachers who talk on so much on uh, giving, selflessness, and the good values of life and things like that. And I was traveling with one of those speakers once, and our flight from Hyderabad to Calcutta was delayed.
Okay.
So I was sitting with the speaker for 2 hours in the airport, and then next to me, well, so what a person said, I'm a professional speaker.
Okay.
It's not necessary what I preach, I practice what I do. I'm a professional speaker. I've done my thesis on this subject, on this thought process, and I speak on that, and I try and convince people. But it's not necessary that I practice it.
But we've
Okay,
always heard the quote, no, that practice what you preach.
absolutely. So what I'm saying now, I'm coming back to your question. Okay. That was my premise. That was uh, my baggage. Now I'm coming back to your question. What was my take home? My take home was that it got me thinking. It got me thinking, and it really, when I read the topic love and respect,
Mm-hmm.
I did not realize, or rather, maybe I would have realized some point, but it was always subdued. It was always down below inside. It was a battery recharge for me, emotional battery recharge,
Mm-hmm.
that how closely connected love and respect is. And
Yes.
it got me thinking that everyone whom I respect, did it start from love? It could be anybody. It could be anybody, from my mother to a wife to a child to a house help, whoever.
True, true. We actually don't know whether respect started first or whether love started first.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's so interlinked. And sometimes, see, let's take example for a house help.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, respect came first or love came first. Or we all know, for a mother or for a life partner, you know what came first. But with every relationship, it's different,
It's different. Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
So it was a take home for me. What I liked that it got me to think.
Okay. That's so nice, Shiv. I mean, you have just said such nice comments for us that I'm really overwhelmed with whatever you said.
No, no, no.
And
There was no preparation, because this was just a tete-a-tete, no preparation,
yes,
nothing. So
yes,
I felt I said what
yes,
I felt,
yes. Thank you
and
so much.
not at all.
I'm actually glad to tell you that Monkey Bath will be completing 1 year in August. So it's already a year since we've started. We started in last August, and this August we'll be completing 1 year.
Fantastic,
So, do you have
fantastic.
anything for us, something which we may carry forward, something which we may do, something which maybe we have been missing out? Anything, any kind of
So,
an advice which you can have for us?
Babita, just tell me, you're completing 1 year means how many sessions have you had, if I may ask?
Panel discussions?
Panel discussions, interactive sessions, live or digital, all put together. How many interactions?
Actually, we have been putting our contents on Facebook and Instagram almost every day.
Right. I've
And
seen that. I've seen
we've
that.
had panel. We've had 4 panel discussion. You were in the last one, and
Right.
all were Facebook Live, and
Right.
they were all interactive, and we put up many videos also, like on various topics. We have put up various videos, short videos, to make
So there,
people aware, about, there are so many topics which people need to know about today in our society. What are the problems they are facing, how to deal with it. So we put up many videos also.
so Babita, which means that you all have had two-way panel discussions, four of them, and
Yes,
you put one-way interactions in the form of videos,
yes,
and plus you're putting snippets or other information or other pointers and thoughts on your website, and
yes,
all of you all are you have a home, you have either a profession, and this is all in addition. What you're doing is
yes,
in addition to that. So,
yes,
and I'm sure this is out of a passion. At this juncture of life, you have chased a passion and you're following it now.
yes. It's
So,
totally a passion, and we are totally into it now.
so Babita, congratulations. Tell me how many people can take out time and do what you're doing. You've put up four major stage projects. That's
Yes,
a stage
if you
project.
can call it that. Yes,
Hadn't it been digital, it would be on some real life platform.
yes, yes, yes,
You've done four of them in a year. That means, let's say once every 3 months. On top of it, you've put up superb work you've done. All, and I wish you all the best. Continue with it. If we look into our daily lives,
hmm,
the small things which upset us or which make us happy. So what should we do? What makes us happy, we should do more of that. And what
true.
upsets us, we should try and see how we can stop doing that, or which is a trigger point where we get upset.
Yes, I was going to say that, what upsets us. Look into it,
What
that what is
upsets?
the thing which is upsetting us.
Absolutely. So
Yes,
what makes us happy and what makes our family happy? Let's do more of that. And what upsets us or what upsets the immediate family around us, people around us, let's try and analyze and do less of that or control that or come to reach that point where is the nail in the shoe which bites us, which upsets us.
yes,
Uh, if we look at our daily life, Babita, we will get loads of topics. We will get loads of topics. Each one, each phase, each life has a story.
yes,
We will get loads of topics. Continue with your good work. Continue with topics of interaction with the youth, be it in the office, a young employee in the office, or young colleague in the office, or in the family. It could be with an elder person. Again, either in the office, family, friend circle. Some people get enough topics if one looks into. And I think the way y'all are going, the way y'all are thinking, you will definitely find out creative and new and real life changing topics.
yeah. We're actually trying to come up with new topics for each of our panel discussion. And in fact, now we are trying to go into a little bit of debating also, and calling up specialists also for our anniversary. So
Very good.
we are just actually foraying into new things right now.
Very good.
So Shiv, thank you so much for your support and encouragement, and we hope to have much more interactions with you in future also.
I look forward. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this interaction.
And follow our page on Facebook and Instagram, and do
For sure.
encourage your friends also to follow us.
For sure. I'll do that. I'll share it.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you so much, Avida.